Artist in the cabinet where it says watercolor trays, you will find the different watercolors that you can use. These are liquid watercolors. You do not add water. I've already added water to them. That's Indian ink, so you don't want to use that. You'll have tubes that I have containers of. These are the praying. We do add water to them. Remember, you can use the droppers if you want to. These are my liquid watercolors, and you are more than welcome to use these. They are a concentrate. I'm going to explain that in just a second. So here, when you're using the colors, make sure that you write down what the name is. See how the name it should say silver, not liver. So write down what the name is so you know when you go back to it. And concentrate means that it's really thick and you water it down. So this has already been watered down, but I want to show you. Literally just take 1, 2 drops, maybe 3. Then you need to wipe the lid down or use your paintbrush. I would actually come in here with my paintbrush so then it's not wasted, and wipe that extra paint off and put it in my tray. So right now it is too thick to be used. So you will take a dropper and you will literally put like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's how much liquid is in there. Then you'll take your paintbrush and you will stir it around. Some of it will be thicker than others and some will be liquid. And so this is a silver. So once you have it mixed, now I'm going to show you what it looks like. So here I am, I'm using the mixed paint, and you can keep it as thick as you want. You don't use it without adding water. So there is the silver, which it's gonna be light because it's silver. I probably should have chosen another one. But this would be great if you're using a background of the color silver. So here's how we use the liquid watercolors.